Hello friend, welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss about 27 famous mathematics scientists and their inventions and contributions in the field of mathematics. Dear friends, many mathematicians and scientists have made significant contributions to the field of mathematics. And first scientist in our list is Euclid. He born about 300 BC and he is known as the father of geometry. Euclid compiled the Elements, a comprehensive compilation of knowledge in geometry. Second famous mathematician is Pythagoras. He born about 570 BC and died in 495 BC. His birthplace is Samos, Ionia, modern-day Greece. His contributions is about Pythagorean theorem, which relates the side of a right triangle, which we generally study in our school times. Third scientist in our list is Archimedes, who born about 287 BC and died in 212 BC. His birthplace is Syracuse, Sicily, modern day known as Italy. His contribution is fundamental contribution to geometry, calculus and mechanics, including the principles of buoyancy. Fourth scientist is Isaac Newton, born on January 4, 1643 and died on March 31st, 1727. His birthplace is Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. His contributions is in the development of calculus independently, formulated the law of motion and made significant contributions to physics. Fifth scientist in our list is Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, born on 1st July 1646 and died on November 14, 1716. His birthplace is Leipzig, Electorate of Saxony, modern day Germany. His contribution is independently developed calculus and introduced the binary system, foundation of 4 computers. Sixth scientist in our list is Leonhard Euler, born on 15th April 1707 and died on 18th September 1783. Born in Basel, Switzerland. His main contribution is to made a key contributions to topology, graph theory, introduced much notations still in use, including E for the base of natural logarithm. Seventh scientist is Carl Friedrich Gauss, born on 30th April 1777 and died on 23rd February 1855. His birthplace is Brunswick, modern day in Germany. His main contributions are to number theory, statistics and algebra, and discovery the method of least squares. Eighth scientist in our list is Pierre Simon Laplace, born on 23rd March 1749 and died on 5 March 1827. Birthplace is Beaumont in Ugue, Normandy, France. His main contributions in the developed celestial mechanics and the Laplace transform in mathematics. Ninth scientist in our list is Bernard Riemann, born on 17 September 1826 and died on 20 July 1866. Birthplace is in Brisellin's Kingdom of Hanover, modern day Germany. His main contributions is Riemannian geometry, which laid the foundation of Einstein's theory of relativity. 10th scientist is Evariste Galois, born on 25th October 1811 and died on 31st May 1832. His birthplace is in modern-day France. His main contributions is in the developed group theory, which has applications in many areas of mathematics. 11th scientist is David Hilbert, born on 23rd January 1862 and died on 14th February 1943. His birthplace is in the Kingdom of Prussia, modern-day Russia. His main contribution is in the field of algebraic number theory and formulated the famous Hilbert's problem. 12th scientist is Henry Poincare, born on 29th April 1854 and died on 17th July 1912. His birthplace is in Nancy, France. His main contributions in the work on topology, celestial mechanics, and introduced the concept of Chaos theory. 13th scientist is Srinivasa Ramanujan, born on 22nd December 1887 and died on 26th April 1920. His birthplace is Erode, Madras Presidency, British India, modern day Tamil Nadu, India. His main contributions is in the made substantial contributions to mathematics analysis and number theory and infinite series. Sorry. 14th scientist is Kurt Gödel, born on 28th April 1906 and died on 14th January 1978. His birthplace is in Austria-Hungary, modern-day Brno, Kazakh Republic. He proved the incompleteness theorems, which have far-reaching implications in logic and philosophy. 15th scientist is Alan Turing, born on 23rd June 1912 and died on 7th June 1954. His birthplace is Maida Valley, London, England. His main contributions are father of computer science, played a crucial role in breaking the Enigma code during World War II. 16th scientist is Johann von Neumann, born on 18th December 1903 and died on 8th February 1957. His birthplace is Budapest, Austria-Hungary, modern-day Hungary. His main contributions in the significant contribution to game theory, quantum mechanics, and computer science. 17th scientist is Andrew Wiles, born on 11th April 1953, and he is still alive. His birthplace is Cambridge, England, and he proved Fermat's last theorem, a problem unsolved for over 350 years. 18th scientist is Mary Cartwright, born on 17th December 1900 and died on 3 April 1998. His birthplace is Aynhoe, Northamptonshire, England. Made contribution to non-linear differential equations and Chaos theory. 19th scientist is Johann Nash, born on 13th June 1928 and died on 23rd May 2015. His birthplace is Bluefield, West Virginia, USA. Worked on game theory, differential geometry, and won the Nobel Prize in Economics Sciences. 20th scientist is Grigory Perelman, born on 13th June 1966 and he is still alive. His birthplace is in Leningrad, Soviet Union, modern day Russia. Proved the Poincare conjecture a significant problem in topology. 21st scientist is Eli Cartan, born on 9th April 1869 and died on 6th May 1951. His birthplace is Dolomieu, Isère, France, and developed the theory of Lie groups and made significant contributions to differential geometry. 22nd scientist is Niels Henrik Abel, born on 5th August 1802 and died on 6th April 1829. Birthplace is Iceland of Fenøy, Kingdom of Denmark, Norway, modern day Norway. Pioneered group theory and proved the impossibility of solving the general quintic equation. 23rd scientist is Sophie Germain, born on 1st April 1776 and died on 27th June 1831. Birthplace is Paris, France. Made significant contributions to elasticity theory and Fermat's last theorem. 24th scientist is Andrew Kolmogorov, born on 25th April 1903, died on 20th October 1987. His birthplace is in Russian Empire, modern day Russia. Founder of probability theory, co-developed turbulence theory. 25th scientist is Ada Lovelace, born on 10th December 1815, died on 27th December 1852. Birthplace is London, England. Worked on Charles Babbage's analytical engine and wrote the first algorithm intended for implementation on a computer. 26th scientist is Euclid of Megara, born on 435 BC and died on 365 BC. Birthplace Megara, Greece. Founder of Megarian School of Philosophy, contributed to logic and geometry. 27th scientist is Emmy Noether, born on 23rd March 1882 and died on 14th April 1935. Birthplace is in Erlangen, German Empire, modern day Germany. Developed Newtonian theorem, linking symmetries and conservation laws, foundation work in abstract algebra. Dear friends, you can also find the link of article on 27 famous mathematics scientists and their invention and contribution in the description of this podcast. You can also learn about other famous scientists from our website and do visit our website. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. We also announced that we have created so many web pages for calculators, like calculator for molarity, normality calculations, age calculator, and different calculators that are generally required in our daily lives. So do visit them also. Also, you can shop science-inspired clothes and accessories from our website, whose link is also provided in the description of this podcast. And the link of our store is mysciencestore.com. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. I'm your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu.